I have completed the background of my terrarium. This is what it's looking like so far. I got the black spray foam and I was able to do exactly what I wanted for the background. I was also able to use the wooden pieces that I thought I wasn't going to be able to pull out from the other one. But I did, and I'm so happy with the turnout. I think that using the black spray foam was such a better idea than just sticking to the white or yellow, because it just wasn't going to look right on the side. So glad that I stuck with the decision of going with the black spray foam. I have 13 pockets to put plants in, which is perfect. And I think that it's going to give me enough room to house a lot of plants, not only at the bottom, but at the top of the terrarium. So yeah, what do you think? This is what it's looking like. It's only been an hour since I've done it, so I'm trying to let it dry a little bit more, but for the most part, to the touch, everything is pretty much dry. My next step is to let this fully dry, and then I'm gonna go in with some coco coir and silicone, brush on the silicone, and then set in some of the coco coir, some of the sphagnum moss, and then I'm also going to be adding some terrarium sphagnum moss to give it some greenage. And yeah, so I'm happy, very happy and very satisfied with how this came out. The other one, I was just telling myself that was an absolute no. So I'm just gonna tilt this back again to let it keep drying. I'm gonna give it about the next, I don't know, probably 6 to 7 hours to keep drying fully, and then we're gonna go in with the silicone.